Today, we will be going over how to take photos at home to submit to Elfman Ortho's new online program, the Ortho Screening Kit. This can be used for both new and current patients. For best results, use your phone's camera. Before taking your photos, make sure that you brush your teeth. Find a well-lit room to take your photos in and be sure that the flash feature on your camera is turned on. Have a friend or family member take your pictures as well. Selfies can hinder our team's ability to accurately examine your photos. For the first photo, take a picture of your natural smile, making sure all your teeth are exposed. Next, take a picture of your smile while using your fingers to retract your cheeks. Make sure this shot is taken up close with good lighting. Snap a photo of your lower teeth by pulling your lower lip down. Keep your tongue back and tip your chin downward. Next, take a photo of your upper teeth. Pull your upper lip back and lean your head back as well. Make sure you open your mouth as wide as possible. For the fifth shot, take a photo of the right side of your teeth. Pull your right cheek back as far as you can and turn your head to the left. Bite down as you normally would. Now take a photo of the left side of your teeth similarly to your right side. This time, pull your left cheek back as far as you can and turn your head to the right. Bite down normally. Your final photos should look similar to these examples by our team. If you have any questions, please feel free to call our office or visit our website for more details. We look forward to seeing you soon.